Hi everyone, today we're going to be making apple donuts and you're going to need at least one apple. I'm using yogurt to act as a frosting and glaze for my donut, but you could use peanut butter, almond butter. You just want to use something that will act as a glaze when you cover your donut, aka your apple. And then I'm going to be adding one of my favorite types of cereal just because it has little bits of granola in it. And I'm also going to be adding a few little sprinkles for some color. Okay, so let's get started. My apples are already cut into little slices. I also removed the core of the apple just because I don't want to eat any seeds. Okay, so I'm going to use my little spatula here. Spread the yogurt. Like I said, this is gonna act like a glaze. You can use any type of yogurt you like. Mine is just plain vanilla. Okay, probably gonna do a few more. Okay. Okay. Now that I've covered my apple slices with yogurt, I'm gonna go ahead and add my toppings. So for my toppings, like I said, I'm going to be using cereal. You can use granola, or maybe you can crush up some of your favorite cookies. It's really up to you. Okay. You can mix and match different cereals. Maybe you're gonna add 2 different cereals. Okay, I'm gonna add a little more to this one. Okay, now that my donuts are all covered up, I'm gonna open up my sprinkles. The sprinkles is totally optional. Okay, my apple donuts are finished and ready to eat.